Hey, what's up, baby? This your boy Swag Daddy here. Finish Line Factory, hanging out at the Halloween Supercar run here at Homestead Speedway with Prestige Imports. And we're here at the southernmost tunnel in the whole world with these two fine gentlemen. What's up, guys? What's up, baby? And we're just waiting. We can hear them coming. All the exotics, all the Lamborghinis, the Ferraris, the Porsches. They're coming down through that tunnel right there. All right, dog. All right, I hear them. I hear them coming. They're way off in the distance. You probably can't hear them. It's probably not registering on the microphone, but I can hear the sirens. I can hear the Lambos. I can hear it coming on. So they're gonna be coming down this shit right here, and we're gonna rock and roll. Yeah, buddy. Here they come. Here they come. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Everybody's coming through the tunnel. 488 passing by. Scraping the lip on the road there, not giving a shit. Here comes the Zonda. Yeah, Ferrari 458. Yeah, baby. Wow. 675 LT, popping back. There you go. All right, guys. All the exotics, all the supercars are here. We're at the paddock at homestead-miami Speedway, and they're gonna have a little drivers meeting. Everybody's kind of staging up. Everybody's getting parked up, and we're gonna rock and roll, baby. It's gonna be fun. Rock and roll. Yeah, baby. There's Bill. Here he goes. All right, dog. We're heading over to the drivers meeting. Gonna discuss, track stuff, safety and shit. What's up, mama? How you doing? You looking fine. What's up, player? It's my G right here. What's up? SWAT team. Hey. I ain't got nothing on me. Don't worry. I ain't about none of that. All right. So we got Brett David on the mic, but we got this fine snowman right here, mama. I know you're a snowman, but you looking hot. I know it's contradictory because snow is cold. I don't know how you're not melting, but you make it work. All right. First cars are lining up on the track. There you go. Yeah, 18 just chilling here. Tesla Model 3 fully loaded with passengers. There we go. This is going to be a fun run. I meant the Huracan over there having some fun. GT3 RS ready to launch. Huracan Spider. all right. Back to hauling ass. Victor was already back. Here we go, here we go, here we go, yeah! There we go. Bam. There's a 918. I was hoping to get one more pass on him, but he was going so fast. Straight into turn one. Got another car coming through. Oh, there's one. That's right, there's two 918s. Jeez, look at that entry speed. Here we go, GT350. Zoom. Look at that. Mustang and Porsche battling it out. Alright, so I know they got like a little data thing going on. Let's see, everybody's already packed up in here, so let's see what they got. Let's see what they're serving. Let's see. We got ceviche, we got vegetables, potatoes. Ooh, garlic herb chicken. That looks good. That looks good. We got Cuban-style garlic lime steak. That looks good. That looks good. I'll take some of that. Oh, right here, cookies. This little girls already knows where the party's at. Yeah! M5, hit it! Put it in track mode, put it in track mode. Open up the exhaust. There we go. Alright, so two cars just had a little bit of a love tap on turn 4. Turn 4 is just before the fishbowl, just before the first straight, so it's probably a minor crash, a minor incident. Turn 4 is a very slow, very, kind of a twisty corner, so I don't think it was anything major, but they're pulling all the cars in. They're going to have a talk with the drivers, have like a second drivers meeting, just to make sure, hey, you know what, cool it, this isn't a race, this is just a track day, we're just having fun, So we'll see what happens. All right, fellas. All right, we got a little dog thing going on. What's up, baby? What's up, pup? Look at this little thing. He's so cute. And you would like to participate in this lap? A little thirsty too. We are departing in about 4 minutes. Look at this little thing. All right, guys. I'm gonna be leaving a little bit early. I got invited to a Halloween party at a friend's house in Pompano Beach. So we're gonna leave the beautiful track event going on. So thank you for watching. It's been real fun. Today's been real fun. Big thanks to Prestige Imports and Ride to Revive for putting on this event here at Homestead Speedway. And I'm going to be heading home. Catch you guys later. Peace out. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out finishlinefactory.com. Peace, baby. See ya.